All right guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working with my friend on his G35.
Yep.
Working on a G35.
That's a Q50, my friend.
Q50, I'm sorry, Q50. So working on a Q50 and we're putting, anyway, just look at it. This is what we're putting on this crazy horn. So, well, I'm gonna have to route the wires somewhere in here. And then we'll put the switch in there. So it's gonna go, we're gonna put it on the switch and then we're gonna, go to work on it. So let me show you what you need to do. So first thing I'm gonna do is run the positive, and then the ground's gonna go inside. And then after that, well, let me show you what you need to do to get to the battery the easier way. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this battery cover off, so it's easier to get to it. You got to take this cover off as well. Okay, just solder. Put a little bit of tester tape on it just to be super safe that it's not gonna touch anything because it's carrying power. Okay, now let's check to see if the wire is long enough. All right, so positive is gonna come out here. See, route it all the way up here. All right, I think it's gonna be long enough. Should be long enough. A little bit of test it. Okay, cable is ready. Now let's put another loom on top of it. Okay, hopefully that's long enough. If not, we'll figure that out later. So the battery is right here, so I'm gonna run my cable. Battery goes down here through this loom here, go down and go under, and then come up, follow this line here, and then go to where the horn is. So let me run the wires. Okay guys, I run the wires. Here's my little crimping ready for my power. My black is going all the way across here, and we're gonna fish it through here. We're just using a hanger wire. Doesn't matter because we already had a grommet. We're gonna go through the grommet and show you. Here's my connections right here. I got my red and my blue. Blue is for ground, red is power, and the horn is installed. Relay, you can't even see it. That little yellow thing, let me see a little thing right here. My yellow cable also there. That's that's it. Now we're running the wires through here. Oops. We're just fishing it out. There's like a grommet down all the way down below. I don't know if you can see where the red wire goes. There's a grommet right in there, and then that's gonna come inside the car. Clips back. I don't need them. So put the middle clips back first. Not back here anymore, right?
I don't think so.
Alright, I'm putting this back. Okay, connection for the switch ready. Okay, I got my wires connected. Red, blue. This is ready. Now I need to connect my power. So let me do that. Okay. Power is connected. Now yo, this is fun.
Really cool, isn't it?
Eh? That is pretty loud though. Okay, it's ready. Let's run a test. Try it again. Press it. Wow. Happy now? That's a truck. All right. Let's put the cover back now. Okay, now I'm gonna put this cover back on. All right. Okay, let's put this cover back now.
Let's go this way.
Put. Oh, these are too big. Okay, this is done. Now we're gonna put the bumper back. Okay, now we're putting the bumper back. I'm gonna help my boy out. Let's connect the front light. Oh, okay. Oh, I got to line yours. I know. Gotta be something we're not doing right.
There's nothing wrong.
No, this is too black.
That what we have is that.
Good luck. I hope for one.
For the license plate.
Yeah, we could do that afterward. If they've been fell shit out. Yeah. No, I just wanted to look at it. Looks the same. Yeah, the bag I fit, so it should be just fine. Okay, which side you want me to try first? I'll try over here.
le plastique de la paille.
Plastique de moto là?
Non, regardez, ouais, ça me donne de faire attention. Ça me dit de donner.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice and right up. Bumper is on. Got a couple more stuff we need to do and connect everything. The powers, the fog lights, and the turn signal. And then this rubber water seal thing that we gotta put on. Need some 3M tape for this. Alright guys, when you're putting this back, you gotta be very careful. It's a pain to put back. So I believe it goes like this, and then there's a hole right in here, and this bumper gets screwed into it right there, and it's a 10mm bolt. Alright guys, we just spent about an hour trying to figure out how to put the bumper back. So basically the bumper, let me show you. So this piece goes right in here. You got two screws that goes on the top here, and you have this screw that's on the side, is this screw right here, but you have to put this in first. So there's a screw that goes right in here, and then the bumper gets screwed in here, because we spent a bunch of time trying to figure it out. So the wing, see this thing right here, that wing, it goes all the way here when you tight it. Yep. The wing is like that. This is for the left side, this one's for the right side. So it goes like this on the left, and there's a screw right here. This screw tighten the bumper into the fender. So you gotta make sure when you, because a lot of video we saw didn't talk about this. This is very important. So without this, you cannot put that screw back. Don't forget, all right? Okay guys, so here it is, these two bolts, and this one, be careful with that piece like I said. So the bumper is pretty much done. We're just finishing up a few things. On the bottom we got to connect all the fogs and the turn signal and a couple of other covers, and that's it, and the horn is done. That's it. Okay, this rubber also is glue with 3M tape, so put some 3M tape on it and put it in there. There's a bunch of clips we gotta put back. We're gonna put this back as well, this cover here. Alright guys, this one is all done. Thank you for watching. It was a simple install, just a horn install. So hopefully that helps somebody. Like I said, remember that corner bracket for the bumper. It's a pain in the butt to do, but anyway, it's all done. So thanks for watching. Till the next one.